So today I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to separate your sounds between your voice communication like TeamSpeak, Ventrilo, Mumble, and your speakers for your game sounds. I usually play like this, and a lot of my guildies know I play like this, and they've been asking, so I figured I would just do a video and do a quick tutorial. The first thing you want to do is you want to get your sound options open. So let's look for this little speaker at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If it's not automatically shown, just press the up arrow, it'll be there. Right click on it, go to sounds. Once it's open, you'll start on the sounds tab. You want to move to the playback tab. You'll see that this will show all your sound devices that are capable of playing back sounds. Make sure that you have your headset already plugged in when you're doing this, or you can plug it in once you have this open. And what you'll see is that usually Windows will put your headset as your default device. At that point, what you want to do is you want to make sure you switch back to your speakers as your default device, which is as easy as clicking on your default speakers and clicking set default at the bottom right here. As you can see, I've already got mine set up, so I'm not going to make that change right now. Once that's done, you can open up TeamSpeak, Ventrilo, whichever one you have, and go to your options. You want to go back to your playback tab, which you can see I'm already on right here, and make sure that it no longer says default, but you want to select your headset. Because of what we just did, if you leave it as default, it's going to go through your speakers as well. Make sure that says headset. Make sure capture device is set up on your headset as well. If you've just plugged in your headset for the first time, hit OK, and that should actually do that. One last thing before I do end this video is that another thing that you can do is when you right click on that same icon in the bottom right hand corner and go to your volume control options, you can see that I have this all devices currently playing checkbox selected. Make sure that's selected, hit OK if you made the change, and then go to volume control volume mixer. The mixer at this point now will allow you to select between the headset and your default speakers. And at that point, what you can do is, if your game sound is a little bit too high and your speakers are a little bit too low, or one or the other, you can play with the actual mixer and the volume for each one separately until you get it the way you want. I think that's all I'm going to talk about today. Hopefully that helped a few people out. And thanks for watching.